Welcome back, you guys. We're now going to be tackling example 2b. And again, we're trying to decide if the triangles are similar, which remember, in order for two triangles to be similar, you have to have all three sides are proportionate and all three angles are congruent. So let's see what will happen. So we're going to start with our sides. So I've listed the three sides. Sorry, I cannot count today. I'm going to list the three sides for the first triangle, which is 4, 9, and 7. And then I must list the sides that relate or correspond to these three sides for my other triangle. Okay, so 4 is the smallest side length in my first triangle. So what is the smallest side length in my second triangle? Correct, you guys. You guys are so smart. Like, I don't know why I teach you guys. You're so smart. But anyway, so my smallest side in my other triangle is an 8. Now, my first triangle, my largest side is the 9. So what is the largest side in my other triangle? That is also correct, you guys. It would be 18. And then finally, 7 is the middle length. It's not the longest or shortest. It's the one in the middle. So which one is the middle length in my second triangle? Precisely, you guys, it would be the 14. Now, in order for my sides to be proportionate, currently looking at these fractions, you're like, Miss Long, none of them are the same. Well, don't forget, you always need to reduce down your fraction to see if the reduced fractions are the same. And if those are the same, that means they all have the same scale factor, and then your sides are proportionate. So what is the number that will divide into 4 and 8? Yes, I can divide each of these bad boys by a 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So 4 over 8 reduces down to 1/2. 9 over 18, well, you can divide 9 into each of these values. And when you divide 9 by 9, you get a 1. And 18 divided by 9, you get a 2. Oh man, you guys, it looks like we're on the right track. I have 2 1/2s for my scale factors. So let's see what happens with this third fraction. So a number that will divide into 7 and 14 is 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 14 divided by 7 is 2. Holy hot dog, you guys, we ended up with 3 1/2. So that means our sides are proportionate. Yay! Okay, so our sides are proportionate. Our scale factors are all the same. They're all 1/2, which means your sides are proportionate. Okay? Now, we also need to know if our three angles are congruent, because if we have three congruent angles and three proportionate side lengths or three scale factors that are all the same, that means our triangles are similar. Which, if you guys see, I have two angles that have one arc. I have two angles that have two arcs. And I also have two angles that have three arcs. So guess what? All angles are congruent. So since all angles are congruent and all three sides are proportionate with the scale factor 1/2, that means our triangles are similar. So when you guys are writing your triangle similarity statement, you must do it in the very specific way that shows the sides and angles that relate to each other. So triangle HOT or triangle HOT, okay? The second triangle, like triangle H, has one arc. Sorry, angle H has one arc. Angle D has one arc. So that's why I wrote angle D first. Angle O has two arcs. Angle L has two arcs. So that's why each of those are in the middle. And then angle T has three arcs. So the other angle that has three arcs is my C. So I have written these in the same order that shows the corresponding sides and angles. So this will be my similarity statement. Way to go, you guys. You did great on that one.